Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Teddy, your English teacher, here to help you improve your English speaking and learning skills. Today, I'm going to share an exciting story with you. My first experience on a plane. We'll learn some new vocabulary and phrases related to travel. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, let's learn a useful phrase. When someone asks about your travel experiences, you can say, "My first time on a plane was amazing." Let's say it together. My first time on a plane was amazing. It all started at the airport. Have you ever been to an airport? It's a busy place where planes take off and land. Let's learn some new words. Airport, take off, and land. Repeat after me. Airport, take off, and land. Excellent. At the airport, I had to check in. This means I gave my ticket and luggage to the airline staff. Check-in and luggage are important words. Let's say them together. Check-in and luggage. Good job. Next, I went through security. This is where they check your bags and make sure everything is safe. Can you say security? Perfect. Finally, I boarded the plane and found my seat. The word board means to get on the plane. Let's say board together. Great. I was so excited to find my seat and see the view from the window. Seat and window. Say them with me. Seat and window. Awesome. As the plane took off, I felt a mix of excitement and nervousness. The view from the window was amazing. I could see the clouds and the ground below getting smaller. Let's practice a sentence. The view from the plane was amazing. Your turn. Fantastic. During the flight, I learned some new words like altitude and turbulence. Altitude is how high the plane is flying. Turbulence is when the plane shakes a little because of the wind. Can you say altitude and turbulence? Very good. After a few hours, it was time to land. The plane slowly descended, and I felt excited to reach my destination. Descend means to go down. Let's say descend together. Excellent. When we landed, I was so happy to have my feet on the ground again. It was an unforgettable experience. Let's practice another sentence. I was happy to land and start my adventure. Your turn. Wonderful. Now you've learned some new words and phrases that you can use when talking about travel and flying. Remember, practicing English every day, even with simple stories like this one, can help you become more fluent. That's all for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed hearing about my first experience on a plane. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational content. Don't forget to leave a comment and share your first flight experience. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.